Right now, I want $1 million US. Even as I'm vice of the real artist progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, today we are again with Deva Bratt. Yes, man, more Deva Bratt again. Freedom Street. Yes, Freedom Street. Consider me. Freedom Street, consider me. It's an official audio. So, as you guys know, the reason why when I get about Deva Bratt is because the G said I read her song every day, which he's been doing every day. So, every day, me have to I react to them because I want to find out what I go on, you know what I mean? So, yeah, Freedom Street, Deva Bratt. Let's go. Let's get in it.
So sweet.
Reggae vibe.
So sweet. Me have to walk Freedom Street. Yeah. Me charge you them. Me know them from Billy wants to them. I'm steering through the bars of Babylon. I'm in captivity. I can't live this way too long. I'm in misery. Even if I've done some wrong, there is a chance for me to be living in society. Yeah. Please, Your Honor, consider me. There ain't no place I'd rather be than with my friends and family in love and harmony. The jail cell life and live with it, dwelling amongst the positive, sometimes the negativity, yeah. We have to live inevitability. One day I'll be free when I make bail from the jail cell and the charges against me and the case fail. All these lies they tell, they could never prevail. They're gonna see me on the stage and make the place real. Trouble no set like rain. Castings for the worst, so me can't complain. Sleepless nights taunting my brain.
Hold on, man.
Familiar, them a bear distress and strain. What a compromising situation it became. I'm on the verge of fame, and them tarnish me name.
So he must sing him story. He must tell you him story. He must tell you what him got through when obviously him just said him tarnish him name as him about to get him break and thing, which we know that was the thing back then when Deva Bratt had doing thing and about to get him recognition. So he must tell you him story, also. He must tell you him story. So if you listen carefully, you will get everything what he must say. Now listen up. Listen up.
So sweet, so sweet. Me have to walk Freedom Street. Yeah.
Why you titling this song Freedom Street still, my G? Why you titling this song Freedom Street, though?
Me charge you them. Me know them from Billy wants to them. I'm steering through the bars of Babylon. I'm in captivity. I can't live this way too long. I'm in misery. Even if I've done some wrong, there is a chance for me to be living in society. Yeah. Please, Your Honor, consider me. There ain't no place I'd rather be than with my friends and family in love and harmony. The jail cell life and live with it, dwelling amongst the positive, sometimes the negativity, yeah. We have to live inevitability. One day I'll be free when I make bail from the jail cell and the charges against me and the case fail. All these lies they tell, they could never prevail. They're gonna see me on the stage and make the place real. Trouble no set like rain. Castings for the worst, so me can't complain. Sleepless nights taunting my brain. My familiar, them a bear distress and strain. What a compromising situation it became. I'm on the verge of fame, and them tarnish me name. But God no give no man no more than what them can bear. I want to hear, please, Your Honor, consider me. There ain't no place I'd rather be than with my friends and family in love and harmony. The jail cell life and live with it, girl, in
No. I think this is a general song. I don't think this is his story him tell you. I think it's a general song. Cause thinking about it, he never get conviction. He never get convicted. He never get charged. He get charged but not convicted of the cases. So it can be theme story when I sing say please you wanna consider me and out the road him want to see and rare blah blah blah. You see me? So I don't think this is I think this is a general song. It's a nice reggae song for show your versatility as well.
Amongst the positive, sometimes the negativity, yeah. We have to live inevitability. One day I'll be free. When me reflect and reminisce back in a life, me kneel and say a prayer to Almighty every night. Me realize that every man I go have a time when things happen. Yes, I have wonders and signs. Me stay fast and say me pray and I do no crying. Even when the judge say me bail get declined. Faith was the only strength when me could have find. I'm innocent so me couldn't get confined. Times when touch not in the visiting line. Me hold me meditation, never lose my mind. Me still a wait for the paper for sign. This month I go make 9.
9 months. I saw him in the jail. Yeah, I saw him in the jail. I'm in the jail for 9 months. Go.
In love and harmony, the jail cell life and live with it. Well, in amongst the positive, sometimes the negativity, yeah. We have to live inevitability. One day I'll be free. I'm steering through the bars of Babylon. I'm in captivity. I can't live this way too long, I'm in misery. Even if I've done some wrong, there is a chance for me to be living in society. Yeah, yeah. Please, Your Honor, consider me. There ain't no place I'd rather be than with my friends and family in love and harmony.
I think this is a general song. You have some youths running behind the prison bars would like to melt them song, yeah, and actually sing them song, yeah, and hope say you can consider them. But I hope so when you follow the road, you actually reform and actually do the right and not the wrong for go back which part on the day right now. You understand? So big up the man them say yo them now go back a prison either who been there and done it and now go back there because it's not a place to be. You understand? Big up the man them and say yo them a wall out and now go do nothing to make them end up round the sun. You understand? So yeah, big up Deva for that one, yeah. This is like a reggae roots rock type of vibes where in my showcase in versatility. So big up the G. 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up on yourself. What you guys think about this one though? Something different from Deva Bratt. This is what we want to see and not the bagger. Not only war song, not only clash song, not only this song. We want to see the general song that people can relate to. And I think this is one of them where the youths and behind bars can relate to. Even the youths and they are road same way can relate to and know say yo that them not gonna put themselves in that predicament. You understand? Big word, man, in a predicament. Blood. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one though, and I'll catch you guys down in the comment section. As always, peace.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.